So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Frigidaire portable ice maker says add water, float pump and reservoir. Fix 1 is perform a hard reset. Press the power button to turn off the ice maker. Unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. Leave the unit unplugged for 10 to 15 minutes to drain internal capacitor. Plug the unit back in but do not turn it on yet. Second fix is clean the water level sensor. Remove the plastic ice basket to access the water reservoir bottom. Identify the two small metal nubs on the tank side, wall or bottom. Dip a cotton swab or microfiber cloth in white vinegar. Vigorously scrub the metal prongs to eliminate scale and film. Rinse the area with clean water and dry it roughly. Third fix is unstick the float switch. Locate the small plastic cylinder or float mechanism in the water reservoir. Gently tap the float with your finger or check for free movement. If stuck due to mineral buildup, apply vinegar to dissolve the crust. Remove any debris or pet hair that may obstruct the float movement when water is added. Fourth fix is clear pump airlock and clean the filter. Locate the small mesh intake filter at the bottom left of the water reservoir. Remove the filter screen and clean off any tint or slim. Reinsert the filter screen back into its slot. Ensure the water level is filled to the maximum fill line to submerge the pump line. If water is not pulling, turn on the machine and cover the intake hole with your finger for a few seconds to help the pump build suction. Fifth fix is check the water pump functionally. Turn on the machine and select the desired ice size. Listen for a low humming sound from the water pump within the first 60 seconds. The sound indicates that water is being forced into the top freezing tray. If there is no sound or the motor hump without water movement, the water pump may have failed. A failed water pump will require replacement. So thanks for watching.